So consciousness is something that many people feel is only given to humans and animals and living creatures who feel pain, they feel pleasure, they feel hunger, they feel all different kinds of things. They have an animal soul, or some creatures have a spark in them that gives them some level of consciousness. But the Zohar tells us that there is consciousness throughout the universe. It may not be the same consciousness, level of consciousness that we have, but it's something perhaps different to what we have. Just as God has eyes that see, but he doesn't have physical eyes, but he sees everything from one side of the universe to the other, so does some of the creation have a sense of what is going on or what is happening, or some level of consciousness that is felt to them in a different way as how we experience intellectual consciousness. So the Zohar comes to tell us that food actually yearns to be eaten by somebody holy, not by somebody wicked or evil. And if we look at the cells in our body, we can see that even a little tiny cell has some level of consciousness. Cancerous cells, God forbid, tend to explode and multiply when they're given a lot of sugar, and they come out of hiding to eat the sugar, which shows us that they have likes and dislikes. When the individual that they're living in eats something bitter, the cells recede and they even actually hide. So here we see that even a cell has likes and dislikes. And if the Zohar is telling us that there's a level of consciousness that a product of food created by God has also a desire to be closer to God and wants to be eaten by somebody holy and yearns for it. For more understanding of consciousness and creation, you can buy my book called The Intimate Act of Eating that explores this subject in much more depth. Thank you.